Yeah. When you do your best, you can. I already told you. When you do your best, hell, that's all you can do. You, me, and anybody else. So they always start talking.
Running away from where I'm from, never can stay with no one. Loving you almost feels like something when no one's around me. He lost and found me. I was surrounded with open arms. Open arms, you give me open. I'm so devoted. You keep me open. Open arms, I'm so devoted to you, to you, to you. You sound like being hopeless, so get on insecurity. I know this is bad, but please put a leash on me anyway. Who needs self-esteem anyway? I hate myself to make you stay. Push me away, I'll be right here with open arms. Open arms, you give me open. I'm so devoted. You keep me open. Open arms, I'm so devoted to you, to you, to
No
you.
matter what come between us, yeah, I decided I'm forever riding, you forever guided. Pull up on the hop, hit this curb up, sliding. Notice when you mad, ain't no words, just silence. Drew my favorite color, now you seeing every shade of me. You say that I'm tripping, I hit back like where you taking me. Locked in for life, on God, no replacing me. Consequences, repercussions, karma keep on changing me. For you, I try. Face card, valid ID. Said I'm me, go to Perry. It ain't 5-star, it ain't me. Over solid, keep it concrete. I'ma bet it on your whole feet. Just don't switch sides. I can 5-piece your wrist AP. Through the ups and downs and all the heat. Take a turn and tell you where to be. Back shots make you feel relieved. Anything, just don't
I
care.
guess I gotta go. I guess it's time to go.